Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Michael, and Michael is coming in for a plus procedure today. Our plan is to work on the frontal hairline and the crown. Michael, how long have you been thinking about doing a hair transplant?
I would have to say about 10 years now. 10 years.
And have you tried any medications to try to prevent hair loss?
Minoxidil, just the classic minoxidil, and biotin, and that's really about it.
And you continued to lose your hairline?
Yes.
And it progressed and progressed.
And it would progress, and get like a steep decline, and I'm like, okay, this has to stop.
Well, you definitely came to the right place here at Natural Transplants. Monday through Friday, all I do is hair transplants. So looking forward to recreating your hairline. We'll follow with you through this entire procedure, and you'll get to update everybody who's watching throughout the day on your progress.
All right, I'm ready. Sounds good.
So here I am with Michael again, and we just got done drawing out the hairline. Pretty painless. But now, before I go ahead and shave, we can go ahead and see how we're lowering the hairline, starting from 0 hair, adding that good 35% density, also adding some temples, moving them forward just a little bit on both the left and the right side, and then also a big focus is right here in the crown. So we have our work cut out for us today, but there's no doubt in my mind we will go ahead and make this work for you, Michael.
I'm excited. I know I'm in great hands.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Here I am with Michael, and what an eventful day.
It was.
Tell us a little bit about your day.
The staff is amazing. From the beginning to the end of the procedure, everybody was attentive. They were kind, gentle, explained everything through, and they kept that same consistency from the beginning to the end. And hands off, like a really great experience.
Awesome. Well, we're glad that you enjoyed your experience here, but most of all, that we went ahead and moved a lot of hair follicles today. Not only did we address your temples and that frontal third area, but we also had the chance to focus on your crown.
Yes.
So there is no doubt in my mind. We're starting the journey today, but in a year from now, when you come back in the office for the year checkup, you're going to be amazed at how much of a difference you look. New frontal hairline, new personality.
I'm excited. I am truly excited. Wish I did this sooner.
Well, congratulations. And again, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Thank you for trusting in the team, and look forward to amazing results.
I do so.